Deb, before the wreck, yeah, she had Down syndrome, but she had a very full life. She went to the center every day. We would come to visit her on the weekends, and we would get the feeling real quick, you know, y'all need to hurry up and go on. I got my day planned. There was a lady driving the van and another person in the van, and when they pulled out into the highway, they were T-boned by a drunk driver. We were all in Nashville at the hospital, and we were all talking because we did not know where to turn or what to do. They had called hospice in, and we weren't sure she was even going to make it through. She had a major stroke after the accident. She's had surgeries. She's had a pacemaker put in. She's had 2 broken bones in her right arm that never healed. She had to have a feeding tube. She couldn't take anything by mouth.
Deb, we do this every day.
My sister said, well, my friend recommended Rocky McElhaney Law Firm. She said, let me go make a call. And it was just a short time later that he arrived. And it was like an instant, instantly he was just there to help, like another member of the family that had stopped by. And we never had any problems or concerns. He assured us that he would take that burden and deal with it, and he did. And of course, they were coming back and forth in our room. And at one point, he told the mediator, you know, that lady can take her money and go home. She didn't come to settle this. And then they went back and forth some more. And then when he came back in, he said, I think you can quit looking so sad. I feel like we're going to be able to help you. So everything went very well for what we were expecting it to be. They made it so much easier. There's a bunch of us in it, Deb. There were 7 children in our family. And we have all talked among ourselves that this was the strongest child our mother had. We just didn't know it until we needed to, I guess. After the accident, it's been a lot of changes. She's not able to call me anymore. She is in a wheelchair now. She wasn't before. She's on oxygen now. She wasn't before. She can't always make it to the bathroom now, and she could before. We know that we'll be able to provide for Debbie, and that we are able to take care of her needs, whatever she may need the rest of her life, thanks to the Rocky McElhaney Law Firm. Our mother always taught us that when something bad happens, sometimes you have to look for it, but there's something good that will come out of that bad. And when Rocky McElhaney came to us that day, we felt like that was the good that came out of this bad, because they took over something we didn't know how to do, and they handled it and took such good care of our sister and our family. And we just appreciate it so much. Hopefully we won't have the need, but if we ever have the need again for an attorney, they're the first and the only company we would call.